Project Bushfire will bring all HUL employees closer to our customers and also make a real difference to our brands and categories in the marketplace.
जोश दिल में जगाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जोश दिल में जगाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जीत की जो तस्वीर बनाने हम निकले हैं।
In the first week of May, we would like all of you to spend one day in the market, working with our merchandisers across the length and breadth of the country to convert 3 to 5 outlets each into perfect stores. Employees from across all functions, brand building, brand development, customer development, supply chain, HR, finance, CMI, R&D and manufacturing must participate to make this truly a company-wide initiative.
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना,
अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
Mission Bushfire is your chance to be part of the biggest customer connect initiative in the history of Unilever. We need you to rise to the challenge, capture the retail shelves and attain victory. Let's show the world what one Unilever, one army can achieve. Are you ready to be a hero for HUL?
My name is Abhijit Marathe and I am at my RS point, Thakkar Liladhar Ramji. I have come here to meet my merchandiser, Bapurav Jadhav. With him, I will be converting all my outlets into perfect outlets. We have our HHT with us. Here you can see the outlets that need to be visited today. This is your call cycle for the day. The first store in the call cycle is GR store. So this is the store that we'll be visiting first. Let's have a look at what are the things that are very essential that you carry from your RS point. These are some of the essential items that you need to carry along with you. So typically you would have your sellotape, your cutter, your punch. You need to make sure that you carry all your DSMs with you. So DSMs would typically include all your shelf strips, your backing sheets, your category shelf strips that are very important that you would need to put inside the outlet, as well as your header cards.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
To select the outlet, just drop down the menu, select the outlet and click View Tasks. You will be able to see all the tasks that you need to perform in this outlet. Whenever you perform any of these tasks, you need to fill up the questions that are mentioned in these tasks. Hello, I am Abhijit Marathe from Hindustan Unilever and he is our merchandiser, Bapurav Jadhav. We have come here to convert your store into a perfect store. In this, what we will be doing is basically put up great visibility in the outlet. With great visibility, there will be more people who will be attracted and will come into your shop, and this will certainly impact your sales. Now we are inside GR stores. I would want to take you through exactly the things that you are supposed to do once inside the store. When you click on any of the tasks that you need to perform, you will see the template that is required, the tasks that you need to do, as well as some of the questions that you need to answer. So there are 4 things that we will do inside this outlet. One is we will put up all paid shelves. The second is we will do planogramming for all the categories inside the store. The third is we will maintain all the assets that are there inside the store. And fourth is we will ensure that aerial visibility is present for all our sachets inside the store. To begin with, let us start off with the paid shelves. You can see here, these 4 shelves are the ones that we have hired for paid shelves. In this task, you can see that we have to put up Axe shelf in the window. This thing clearly mentions as to how many countertop units you need to place inside the shelf. I'll tell you what are the 4 paid shelves that we will put up in this outlet. One is Fair and Lovely, the second is Lux Purple, the third is Pond's Tal, and the fourth is Axe. Let us now put up all the shelves.
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना।
अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Now you can see that we have put up all the paid shelves in the outlet. You can see we have done Lux, then Vaseline, then Axe, Fair and Lovely and Pond's Talc. Now once we are through with this, the merchandiser would be answering questions in his HHT. You need to answer each of these questions, and then you also need to click a photo. After you click the photo, you need to click on save. Once we are done with all our paid shells, we now move on to the planogramming part. We will be showing you how to do planogramming in the shelves. To begin with, we will start off with the hair shelf. Now you can see that most of the SKUs here are not properly arranged. So now we will start off with planogramming the hair shelf first.
हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार हैं तैयार हैं।
You can see that we have done the hair category here. We have all our SKUs as well as the competition SKUs planogram. You put up the header card on the top and the shelf strips. Similarly, we have done the DO category as well, where we have put up all competition SKUs as well as all our SKUs. You can see here that we have done up the planogramming for the skin category. What you need to do is basically arrange all the skin SKUs into one shelf, the competition as well as our SKUs. Put up the category shelf strip and put up the category header card. Once you do it for skin category, you will have to start doing it for all the other categories as well. You can see here that I have put up all the sachet hanger visibility. So these are all your hair SKUs that are put up on hangers. You have Fair and Lovely sachet hanger that I have put up. Also you have a hanger visibility for your fabric wash large packs. You need to make sure that you put up all the relevant sachet hangers and large pack visibility in the outlet. Finish all of them for the store and then go on back again, click on menu and sync. When you sync, all the data that you have stored till date gets uploaded to the main server. Hello sir, we have finished putting up all the visibility in your outlet and made your outlet into a perfect store. Okay, on behalf of HUL, we would like to present this memento to you.
Thank you.
For taking part in our initiative and helping us to convert your outlet into a perfect store.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
I'm counting on you to make a real difference to our brands and categories in the marketplace.